So let's look at magnitude of u plus magnitude of v. So if this here is u and this is v, I'm going to get distance from here to here. So I will get this resultant vector, and I can calculate its distance. So I need here this angle here. Now when I have u and v, this angle here, the angle between u and v is actually this one here. So here is the angle between u and v. So this angle here is 180 minus the angle between u and v. Because we always measure the angle when we're tail to tail. So that means if we were to continue on and move u over here, like so, I would get angle between is theta. So let's move it back. So if I look at this now, to calculate this, I get the magnitude, so we call this d, which is the magnitude here. D is equal to the square root of u squared plus v squared, that's it, the magnitude squared, plus minus 2 magnitude of u, magnitude of v, cosine of the angle between, which is 180 minus theta. Now this right here is maximized when this cosine theta, this whole part disappears. More specifically, when this part here is equal to -1. Okay? When cosine of 180 minus theta is equal to -1, 180 minus theta is equal to -1, we are maximized. This -1 will turn this into positive, and I'll get the biggest possible displacement, the biggest possible magnitude for the addition of these two vectors. And this occurs when theta is equal to 0. So the maximum this could ever be is if u and v were in a straight line. U and v were in a straight line. And if we think about that, that is the same thing as just saying the magnitude of u, so this distance plus this distance here, because if we look at just a number line and think of just a number line, and we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, this distance here, u and v, is just how long this is, which is just the counting numbers. So just how long u is plus how long v is, which is this calculation right here. So the maximum this will ever be is this, and that only occurs when u and v are in a straight line pointing in the same direction, theta equaling 0. Anything else will be less in terms of these two magnitudes.